So guys, I'm gonna show you now with my real miniature working faucet. So the sink works. I'm gonna show you real quick. Sorry. There you go. So I'm gonna show you how it works, okay? So it really works. I keep on saying works. Yeah, but it definitely works, okay? So I'm gonna show you how. I have my little sponge over here, and it should work in a little bit. I'm just gonna have to turn it on. Let's see. Okay, so should work. There you go. Let's put a little pressure so you can see. There you go. Ta-da! So we have our little okay, so that really works. And of course, let's make sure sponge right. So let's clean. So there it is. And next video, I'm gonna show you how this kitchen works. I'm gonna have real cooking going on. So let's turn it off since it's not being used anymore. And yep, this is my real sink with real water.